Hello, friends. Today I'm going to discuss with you a very important point that is a lot of traders and students keep asking me, and the followers keep asking me that, sir, how do you end up getting that one particular stock to trade? Or, there are 5,000 stocks in the stock market to trade, and you end up showing one stock which is performing, non-performing, whatever. I cannot be 100% right, but at least I come to a conclusion that I have to go for this particular trade. And how is that you come to that particular stock out of 5,000, which I feel which is a very valid question. And I used to have the same question when I used to learn in my, when I started my journey in the stock market. And whenever I used to ask this question to my gurus or whoever is teaching me at that point of time, and they always had a blank face because they have a ready-made chart on the screen, and which is processed by the team, and whichever fits the best. I'm not saying all do the same, but whichever fits the best, like say an RSI is going up and MACD is going up, they intend to show it on the screen and just say that here you have to buy, and here is how the system works wonderfully. Here you want doubled, here you want doubled, and how you made had a stop loss or whatever. The question is, how did he or me end up getting that one particular stock to trade and take a decision? Fine, I'm going to buy this stock. Now, I'm going to cover that point. For that, please, if you like this video, please subscribe and follow, and please press the bell icon so that the next time whenever I upload a new video, depending upon what kind of questions do you have, you will get a notification on that on your mobile or on your email ID, so you know that the new video has been uploaded. Now, I want to just tell you that I also teach students about my strategy. Now let us come back to our question that how did I come to one particular stock. Now for an example, let us take this chart that is in front of you guys. This is the chart of the stock Naukri. Now Naukri, I gave yesterday a buy call at 5,326 rupees. The question is whether it will perform or not, secondary. The question is, how did I come to a stock out of 5,000 stocks, that is Naukri, to be traded? Now the strategy will be taught to all my students and all, but I just want to tell you the logic behind my trade. It's just that I have bifurcated the entire stock market into small indexes. Now for an example, if you see this screen, now can you see over here Ruchi, over here this stock. Now this is basically an index collaborated with few number of stocks in the same industry. What criterias and all that I will teach to the students, but this is the index of an edible oil industry. Now you don't have an index of an edible oil in the any CNX. You go through the NSE website, or you will not be able to find such kind of index. This is custom created. Now if I know that such kind of index has given a breakout, that means there's a demand in a particular sector of edible oil. Now the only thing left with me is just to identify a particular stock from the edible oil sector and invest in it. Okay, now let us take one more example, is Apollo Hospital. I have just kept it. Now Apollo Hospital index was created long time back, but if you see over here in 14th September approx area, this sector had given an breakout. Now Apollo Hospital comes into the sector of, like say, health industry. I have collaborated a lot of other industries and come up with my index, and you will be surprised after the stock over here, the index, when the index gave a breakout in this area, I was, sense that at least I know which industry is going to perform. So I just needed to find a stock from that, and let us go. And out of all the stocks in that industry, I found out the stock is Apollo Hospitals, because at that point of time, if you see this areas, yes, the Apollo industry exactly gave a breakout. 15 September, if you can see this index already gave a breakout on the 14th September. Apollo Hospital gave a breakout on 15th, or we can just enter at the 17th September, where it gives a clear indication of the moment, say around 1780 or whatever. And if you see the index, the stock has just gone almost double from there. Okay, not even 1 year, but the stock has doubled with the help of my indicators, which will be shown and shared with my students. But just see a small indication from a sector analysis, that what we can say. I have just able to identify a beautiful stock from that. And this is how I make things simple. Now the other thing is, I'm going to show you one more sector is here. You see, I have collaborated a lot of stocks and made my own custom index. Now if you can see, this entire index is of a bearing companies, the company which make ball bearings and all, and give it to automobile sectors and all. So auto sector is huge. It has auto sector consists of ancillary sectors, glass sectors. We need mirrors and glass for the car. We need engines and diesel engine and everything, and we need ball bearing. And if you will be surprised that I have been able to identify a breakout over here in the sector of bearing industries, and with the help of that, I have been able to identify NRB industries, which see already I have started accumulating my stocks of NRB industries with every breakout over here. And this is how I identify stocks with help of the sector. If you all guys are willing to learn such kind of interesting strategies, how to build individual sectors, and analyze the sectors and go deep inside the studies of what are the subsectors inside the major sector inside, and then identifying a particular stock from it and trading in it and making profit from it, I think so you should go for my training, because there are a lot of training outside going on, but none of the training will help you to identify one good stock from the sector, which will able to identify one good stock with good technical analysis from monthly time frame to the daily time frame till the entry, exit, and stop loss, proper strategy, and can help you gain good profit no matter what kind of market it is. Because what happens, even you must have noticed that when Nifty is around 100 200 points down, but there is a particular section of stocks, say metal sector or say auto sector or any cement sector, you will be like thinking in the back of your mind that, my God, why am I not in that particular stock? Even if the stock markets are falling, the stock is going up and up. It's just because the behind that particular sector is performing, which you are not aware of. Once if you are aware of such kind of strategies and analysis, which is quite advanced than normally what you learn in the market, you will be surprised to know that your performance is going to the next level. Guys, if you all like this video, please subscribe and do comment and let me know your feedbacks, and let us join hands together and make your trading go to the next level. Thank you, guys.